Imagine finding a simple coin, just one ringgit, but someone tells you it's worth $178,894,000. Sounds unbelievable, right? But what if I told you this number is real, but also completely misunderstood? Today, we're uncovering the truth behind the 1993 Malaysia 1 ringgit coin, and whether it can actually make you rich or it's just another viral myth. Let's start with the basics. The 1993 1 ringgit coin from Malaysia was part of a circulation series minted at Shah Alam. Here are some key facts. Metal, aluminum bronze. Weight, around 9.35 grams. Diameter, about 24.5 millimeters. Edge ribbed. Mintage, 178,894,000 coins. Yes, you heard that right. 178 million coins were produced. So already one big question arises. How can something so common be worth millions? Now, let's talk about the viral number. $178,894,000 value. This number is spreading across YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. But here's the truth. That number is not the coin's value. It is actually the total number of coins minted, not the price. Many people confuse. Mintage equals 178,894,000 with value equals $178 million. And that's where the myth begins. Now let's look at the real collector market. According to professional coin catalogs, average value, 50 cents to $2 depending on condition. Even in excellent condition, around $2 max for normal coins. Yes, not millions, just a few dollars. Why? Because very high mintage easily available, not rare in standard form. So if you have one in your pocket, it's not a jackpot. Now here's where things get interesting. There are situations where this coin could be worth more. 1. Mint errors. Some coins may have missing symbols, misprints, off-center strikes. Rare error coins can attract collectors. 2. Special variants. There are 2 types, with $sign, dollar symbol, without $sign. Collectors sometimes pay more for unusual versions. 3. Condition grading. Coins graded, MS mint state, uncirculated, can be worth more than worn coins. But here's the key truth. Even rare versions usually sell for tens or hundreds of dollars, not millions. Those $15 million or $450 million claims you see online are mostly clickbait. Let's be honest. YouTube is full of titles like $450 million ringgit coin, hidden treasure in your pocket. But most of these are exaggerated. Even collectors online say old coins are worth much unless rare or error types. The reality is simple. Age alone does not make a coin valuable. Rarity plus demand equals real value. If you have this coin, here's what you should do. Check for errors, misprint, missing symbol. Look at condition, shiny versus worn. Compare with verified catalogs. Get it graded professionally if you think it's rare. And most importantly, don't trust viral prices without proof.so. Is the 1993 Malaysia 1 ringgit coin worth $178 million? No, but could a rare version still be valuable? Yes, if it has unique features. That's the beauty of coin collecting. Sometimes treasure is real, but only for those who know the difference between hype and like. Comment if you have this coin. Subscribe for more hidden coin stories. And remember, not every old coin is gold, but every coin has a story.